beautiful people, I'm Nancy Obebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this vanilla cake that will leave you asking for more, and after doing this you will not buy cake anymore. Okay, so I'll be using a pot, so you can decide to use the pot empty like this, or you can add in sand, but I'll be using salt. So I'll go ahead to add in my salt and I'm gonna spread it. So what we are doing here is how to bake cake without an oven. So if you don't have an oven, I have your back covered. So this is what I'm arranging, and after arranging it I found out that it was too high for my pot, so I'll go ahead to remove my stove top and I'll cover it, and this was okay. So I'll heat that up on a low heat. Next I'll grease the pan with margarine. I'll just flour all around it the way you are seeing it. Okay, so at the end we'll pour out the excess. Next I'm going to be placing my baking sheet in my pan so the cake wouldn't get burnt. So we'll set this aside. So let's move on to my dry ingredients. I'll be adding in my flour. Next I'll add in baking powder, powdered milk, and I'm going to mix everything together to combine properly. And after mixing it, I'm going to set this aside. Moving on to my wet ingredients, I'll be using eggs, and this is about 250 grams of eggs. Okay, so I'm going to break this in a bowl just to be sure that the eggs are okay. Next I'll add in my margarine, and I'm going to be using 250 grams of margarine here. So I'm using everything. Next I'll add in my sugar, and I'm going to mix everything till it is white and fluffy. In fact, this is where the work is. Just grab something, sit down and whisk this until you have this very white color. And this is what I'm talking about. So this is where the work is. So after this I'll go ahead and add in my eggs, and I'm going to be adding this one after the other. See, this cake, if you follow every step here, you will have a perfect vanilla cake and you wouldn't need to buy cake anymore. Okay, so while I add in my egg, I'll add in my flour, adding egg, adding flour until I exhaust it. Okay, I got this recipe from a friend and I wanted to try it out, and the result was so good. In fact, I never wanted to share it, or I wanted to share it without putting out the recipe, but I had to do this for my family. Okay, we are family here. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I really appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here will make an amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and you will not regret it here. So after mixing it, I added in my vanilla and mix everything. Please don't over mix. And this is my pan. I'm going to be using 6 inches pan, and I'll transfer my batter into my pan, and I'm going to just level it with that spatula. I'll tap it a bit like this, the way you're seeing it on your screen, so the air bubbles will go off. Next I'll place my batter into my heated pot and cook on a very low heat for about 50 to 1 hour. And after that I'm doing my testing, and if you see it, you see that it's coming out clean, so you know your cake is ready by now. See, This cake tasted so good. Trust me, I don't bring recipe that is not trustworthy here. Okay, so try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. So this is the moment of truth. Look at how soft and fluffy this is. I think this is the very first time I'm making this amazing cake. I've been making cake on the platform. It has not been like this. This result came out so well, and I'll recommend you. After doing this, you wouldn't need to buy cake anymore. So from here you can make your cake at home. You can also start a business with this. So try this recipe and come back to thank me. So look at how soft this recipe was. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye bye.